Welcome to another video, and this video is to say that Lexi, the Jamaican comedian, she had died, and I just want to say rest in peace, Lexi. You were a great comedian. You did a wonderful job, and I pray that your family will somehow be able to go on daily. Thank you for making us laugh. Thank you for allowing us to enjoy the time that you have here on earth. You did an excellent job, and we will continue to love and miss you. Sleep in peace. Rest well.
With his pregnant baby mother, and let's hear what she has to say.
I punish them do foolishness because he never deserve it. He never deserve it. I'm 16 months pregnant. Only if you just do that. Mom, alright, me send the man go buy Lasco for my other two pitty them and the man that's dead. I'm scared. I'm pregnant 16.
So sad to hear everybody is still mourning the loss of Mr. Hutler. Reporting to you live from Trelawney, that's in Aki Lane. That's it.